It's me, Cassandra, and we had a snowstorm last night, so we're going to go out and play in the snow with my little brother and sister.
Hello guys, how are you guys today? Hello guys, how are you guys today? So, me and Sebastian are going to play with our sister.
It's so cold out here. Hey, not on the head.
Do you want to build a snowman? I'll ride you back from the halls. Never see you anymore. Come out the doors, it's like you going.
Yeah, back together. And then roll it. Snow farts?
Oh, snow farts. That's what you said, Chief. Snow farts. I'll make a seat, so I'll put it on her head. Oh.
No. We don't put snow on people's heads.
Or put that show me. Okay, here we go.
Snow fart! It's so cold out here. No, don't go back there. What's the temperature?
I dare you dig a hole in layer. There's some. My lips are freezing.
Yeah, come on.
Let's see what we get inside. Our kitchen, and Cassandra's going to make us hot chocolate, and it's going to have rainbow marshmallows. So I hope you guys will like to enjoy.
Wait, a pour? Wait,
I need one more.
Now we're going to add our
marshmallows, and so
the rainbow marshmallows
yeah,
to our hot chocolate.
Yes.
Yeah.
So I hope you guys enjoy seeing them. And I don't like mine, so I'm just gonna eat them. Well, what do they look like?
They're colorful. Yep.
Give me your money. Give me your.
Is it good?
Yum.
Thumbs up.
Hard.
Yum.
Thumbs up.
You can go.
Tastes like a chocolate rainbow.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe. Give us a thumbs up. And in the comments, write if you like winter or summer better. Right?
I like thumbs up. I like summer. And subscribe back.
I like summer better. What do you like, Sophia? Winter or summer?
Winter.
Winter.